Good afternoon, everybody. I hope everybody is having a great Saturday. Wherever you're at, I hope that you're staying safe. My name is Dave, saxologist. Thank you for coming to my channel and checking this product review out. I basically mostly do covers, saxophone covers, and I love the phrase. I love the saxophone shirts, like you can see this one. I love this stuff. I'm a gear head too, so I love the saxophone gear and everything about the horn. So anyway, today I am going to do an unboxing of a brand new Jean Paul curved soprano sax that I just received today from Amazon. And the part number, as you can see here, is an SS400GP curved soprano. They say it's basically an intermediate model, and it goes for $700 from Amazon. So I've already opened the box, so let's see what we got in here. By the way, Jean Paul makes really nice horns, especially for the money. I have the alto and tenor, and I've had them both for around 2 years, no problems. I take them in, get them checked out every 6 months or so, make sure that everything's good, have no leaks, and everything's beautiful horns, nice tone, and for the price, you can't beat it. I'd love to be sitting here revealing a brand new 25th anniversary Cannonball. However, I don't have that Cannonball allotment at this moment, but that is on my agenda. Eventually I will get one, but for the meantime, for beginners or intermediate horns, I recommend Jean Paul to get in their horns. Nice case here. It has a little feed on it. It has a zip right here for it has back straps, so you want to carry it on your back. So we put it over here, and we open up this top pouch here. And we have another strap. This is for the shoulder. Okay. So now we get to the good stuff. Alright, what we have in here? Let's see here. Look at that. Yes. Okay. Alright, we got a neck strap here. Nice case, nice padding. We got a neck strap here. You know, just a basic neck strap. Nothing I would use, but hey, if you don't have a better one though, it'll do you. Okay. All right, here we have the neck. See how it looks here. The cork looks nice. It comes with a mouthpiece and a cap. I like the ligature. It's nice. Okay. I have my own mouthpiece. I actually have a Yamaha 5C, and I have a generic, basically a Chinese, metal mouthpiece, which I kind of like. So I'm going to try and see what goes on with one of these. I'll try to play test it. Comes with a reed. Get a Rico 2.5, which is cool. I can actually try their mouthpiece. Jean Paul mouthpiece is actually not bad. Actually, I've tried it before. It's almost similar to the actual 4C. Kind of that equivalent, Let's see, what else do we have here? Alright, we got some gloves. I don't know why they use those gloves. Nice. Okay, we got some cloth. Nice cloth. Okay. We got the white gloves, which nobody never uses, but anyway, they're here. And now, for the main event. Oh, we also have some Jean Paul customer service things here. They have a 1-year warranty, and I tell you what, they honored the warranty because the first one I bought, I had a slight issue with the intonation, and they replaced it. It was no problem. I sent it in. They even gave me the return label sent in, so really good customer service. So now let's see the horn here. Okay, it's a pretty little thing here. This case out the way Beautiful horn. Yeah, the pads. You can hear that. You want to hear that. Okay, that feels good. It's a beautiful horn. Nice little engraving on the bell. John Paul. It has a high F sharp key. Yeah, high F sharp. Nice. Beautiful horn. John Paul 400 SS400GP. Look at the pearls on there. Actually, those pearls are pretty nice. Look at that. Yes, yes. Well, I wonder if my Jazz Lab harness will fit this. Let me see here. Just curious if this fits. So we need to see if I can play this thing here. Let's give it a shot here. Put a little cord grease on here. Put this mouthpiece on here and see if we can get a sound out of it. Roll in that cord grease. Put my mouthpiece on here. Let's see here. Put this on. I haven't played soprano in ages, so yeah, I know everything, the intonation and everything is always totally different. Is this thing gonna fit? I don't think so. I think this strap, yeah, this strap is too long. It's good. I love it. Yeah, a little intonation issues here. Don't trip on that. I just got to work on tuning it, and but it feels good in the fingers and everything, man. Got to make sure this is the right mouthpiece from there. I'm gonna try that 5C. John Paul 400 SS400GP curved soprano saxophone. I highly recommend it. Excuse the intonation, I just started this thing, so I haven't even really warmed up anything. So, but anyway, just want to let you look at it, and I'm gonna go ahead and practice and see if I can get this thing even better. You know, tune it and get everything right. Thank you. Have a good day. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for this videos and more like it, and I'll be back again soon. Thank you.